Coronavirus, or COVID-19, is most likely the biggest challenge of our lifetime. It's never been more important for professional cleaning companies to have high standards and protocols in place to protect our clients and employees. Mayberry's Maids is Las Vegas' most trusted residential commercial cleaning company. We are prepared in this fight to flatten the curve. Mayberry's Maids uses EPA-registered cleaning chemicals that disinfect hard surfaces, carpets, and upholsteries. Our teams are trained professionals and have every tool and chemical needed to disinfect the job properly the first time. Ask us about our cold fogging system that kills 99.99% of germs and virus in homes and offices. Mayberry's Maids. We are on the front lines for you. Our operators are standing by. Call Mayberry's Maids. The name you know, the name you trust.